أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعني بما علمتني وعلمني ما ينفعني وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Hope you all are good and well and in increasing state of health and iman, inshallah ta'ala. I kindly use the chat box to reply to my questions, inshallah. Let it be an interactive session, dear sisters. Assalamu alaikum. Of course, we are into the day 5 of this video editing course. Alhamdulillah, biiznillahi ta'ala. So rectify your intentions before we start. Please rectify your intentions that you're doing this just for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, so that Allah puts barakah in your time, in your effort, in your skill, inshallah ta'ala. Let's seek help from Almighty Allah and let's begin the day 5 of our course. And inshallah, let's continue our journey to being a productive Muslimah with a smartphone, inshallah. Let's quickly recap the lesson, whatever we have studied in previous classes. It was nothing but the test project that we had created. We had seen the aspect ratio. We had seen the editing interface of the KineMaster, the workspace of the KineMaster, the timeline, the media circle, the control bar, the video window as well, right? So quickly write whatever we have studied in the chat box, please, so that it will be a quick revision for each of you. Please write what we have studied in the chat box. Yes, the timeline, the video window. Yes, the video window, the media circle, the control bar. In the control bar, we have studied the redo, undo, the maximize timeline, the advanced setting, and more. And we had seen the asset store. Yes, advanced settings of the video, the asset store we have seen, the marketplace we have seen. Yes, barakallahu fiki, mashallah. Export, the export option is mandatory. Dear sisters, I just saw someone who was exporting the video from the front of the page, I mean the first page. No, you're supposed to export the video from this bar, fine? If you export the video from the first page, then it will be exported as .kine file, okay? Just remember this. To export the video, you have to click on this button only. Fine. This is the button that is used to export this file into the edited video into the complete video. Fine. So what else did we study? Please write down in the chat box. Come on, type in the chat box. Advanced editing tools were also done in the previous classes, mashallah. So alhamdulillah, we have seen the advanced editing tools, the replace tool, the trim and split tool, the slip tool, the mixer option, and the speed option. The speed option is pending. This will be discussed in today's class, and inshallah we'll be seeing more of the advanced editing tools, inshallah. So the replace, why is replace used? Can you all mention it in the chat box? Why is the replace used? Replace is used? Yes. To replace the video. Yes, to replace the video that was appearing on the timeline. Yes, to change the video with another video. And the next thing, why is the trim and split option used? What are the 4 options that are offered in the trim and split? It is nothing but trim left, trim right. Yes, excellent. Trim right. What more? Trim right, split, and then split and insert the frame, right? Insert the freeze. And then there's a slip option. Slip option is used if you have a 10-second video and you have just cropped 5-second video and you just want the rest of the video. So what you do is you press on the slip and you'll just slip this and you will get the next 5 seconds on the screen and not the first 5 seconds. First 5 seconds will be removed and you will be slipped onto the next 5 seconds. That is called a slip. Okay, and then mixer option, it is used to control the audio, right? Audio controls is here. So you are just going to toggle that bar that towards upward direction towards the high mode. Okay, so the volume will be increased if you'll toggle it to the upwards, and then if you'll toggle it downwards, then it will be reduced. The volume will be reduced. And what more, you had some things like pitch and more, right? Pitch, that there was something called pitch and there was something called left and right. This were all regarding the audio tools for that video. Fine, for that video. Today we will learn more of the settings for the video that is offered in the KineMaster. Fine. it is not only offered for the KineMaster, it is for every video editing software. You will have to go through all of these tools. Fine. So yesterday's homework was based on merging the two videos and adding the transition between the two videos. MashaAllah, this was excellently done by each and every student. Barakallahu fiki. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So let's begin today's class, inshallah. Are you all ready with the two devices? I want you all to have KineMaster open in your other device, inshallah. If you do not have two devices, no problem. Take notes and take everything as a point by point in your notes, inshallah. After the class, you can give it a practice, or you can listen to my recordings and then you can give it a practice. Anyway, you can try it, but you have to practice. Only practice can make you perfect. Without practice, you won't be able to attain such a level, the pro level of editing. Okay, without practice, you won't gain the pro level of editing. Remember this, practice is must. Practice in the class, practice after the class, and practice by listening to the recording, inshallah. It will give you, it will be of benefit. Please take it from me, dear sisters, this will be of benefit. You can advertise that you are a professional video editor into any of the groups or any of the teams. You can just what you can do is you can just advertise that I am a professional editor, I can edit any videos. You can charge at least 500 for single video, just single video. What I do is I charge for two videos, I just charge rupees 1000. Is it not a worthy task that you have? Yes, it is. What I'll be offered, because I did professionally, because I did professionally, only then I can get such an opportunity. Only you will get such an opportunity only if you're a pro in it, right? So practice well so that you can develop. You can do this as a career in video editing, inshallah. You can make it as your career. You and I being a stay-at-home moms or something like that, you can develop this video editing as a career, inshallah. So let's begin with this zeal, inshallah. Let's continue with this class. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I'll just start with the screen sharing. I want you all to practice along with me, inshallah. Fine. Okay, are you all following me? Any doubts, please type in the chat box. We'll just quickly begin the class. The chat box will be disabled. I won't be able to see your chat box in the class. So after the class, inshallah, after the class, I'll catch up with you. Fine? Any doubts, please write it and keep in somewhere, or write it in the chat box and keep, and you will send me the doubts after the class, inshallah. Fine? Okay, I'll just quickly share the screen so that we'll begin with the KineMaster now. Okay? Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We are with the KineMaster. Bismillah. Okay, hope you all have got what is the logo of the KineMaster, what is the first interface that you'll get in the KineMaster, how we'll create the project. It is nothing but by create new and more. You're just going to assign the aspect ratio based on the video size. Fine, based on the video, the aspect ratio that the video that you're going to edit, you can assign based on it. Or also you can assign the aspect ratio based on which video you're creating for YouTube, whether you're creating, or for Instagram you're creating. Okay, for now what we're doing is we're just taking the videos which are already edited, already available, and we are editing that videos just for the test purpose. Okay, we are not going to actually edit the videos. We'll do it in the training session that will be given after 5 to 10 days, inshallah. So this one, now we are going to just see the tools in the KineMaster, all of the tools in the KineMaster. So any of this you can select, any of the aspect ratio you can select and go with it. Okay, so let me select 1:1 and just write the type the project name, and let the project name be something called test 123. Okay, then let's create this project. So this is a project that you have. So let me just browse some media and put it here. Hope you all have received the background videos that I have offered. You will have several background videos as well as background images in that link. You can download it and use it for any of the video editing purposes that are available for you, inshallah. That were downloaded, the stock footages were downloaded and made available for you by us, alhamdulillah. So now let's start with the editing. So let me just take the video that we had in yesterday's class, that I had given you yesterday as a homework. So I'll just let you know how to add these two videos to the timeline. Okay, my dear sisters, if, for example, you have two different videos, fine. This is the video number 1 and this is the video number 2. This is the video number 1 and this is the video number 2, fine. I want you to add this video number 1 to here and then this video to the next part. Okay, so what you have to do while adding is just remember this: you have to move this timestamp. Where is the timestamp? This timestamp, this red line should be moved to the last part. to add it to the end. The first video is added already here, right? To add the second video towards the end, what you have to do is you have to move this timestamp to the last of this timeline. Fine. So let's move this timestamp to the end. Have to move this. Just move it with your finger, right? Move it with your finger to the end. Yes. Now you are at the end of this timestamp. Correct? You are here now. So when you are here, now what is decided? The video that is inserted will be inserted here, right? After you move this timestamp to the end of the video, you can insert the next video. Fine, you can insert the video number 2. This is the video number 2 that I said. Let me insert the video number 2 at the end. Fine, just click on it. It is inserted towards the end. Fine, this is how you do it. For example, if you have to insert another video, I told you, please insert another video. For example, if I give you a homework called, if you have these 2 videos and I tell you insert a video, another video in between these 2 videos, how will you insert it? How will you insert it? What you have to do is you have to move this timeline, move this timestamp in between these 2 videos. Where is between 2 videos? It is this one, right? I have already told there is a square with a vertical point. That shows that there are 2 videos here. So you have to move your timestamp. This is the timestamp that's moving, right? With your finger, move the timestamp in between these 2 videos, and then you can insert another video. Go to the media and insert another video or another photo or something like that. Fine, I'll just insert this photo. Fine. So this is how you do it, right? To insert something in between the videos, what you do it is you insert something. You should move this timeline and move towards where you're going to insert. For example, if you want to insert another video at the end of the video, end of these 3 videos, you have to move the timeline again towards the end. Fine. You're going to move it till here and then press on the media, and then you're going to click on anything, and then you're going to place it there. Fine. Hope you all are getting this concept. For example, this is inserted here. Okay. Hope you all have understood how you're going to insert the videos on this timeline. See how you're going to insert. For example, if you want to insert a video on the start, what you do again? You have to move this timeline to the start. Okay, this timestamp is mandatory. This timeline, learning this timestamp, the red line is very mandatory. Red line decides where are you going to put the media, where are you going to place the media, where are you going to place the text, okay, where are you going to place anything. This red line decides it. Okay, wherever you are keeping the red line, over there you are going to insert anything. Remember this. Wherever you keep this red line, over there you are going to insert anything. For example, this red line goes here. If this red line is standing here, now if you want to insert something, that will appear on the start now, right? Because the red line is at the start, that will appear on the start. That's all. For example, this photo is clicked here. This is here now. So this has appeared at the start. Then the next video will appear. Then something called this will appear. Then this will appear in this way. There are 5 videos totally now. If you want to delete something, how will you delete a video? Any idea? Yes, you will just click on the video. Go to the delete option that is on the control bar. This will appear on the control bar, right? Delete option. So you have gone through the delete option now, right? So there is a delete option to delete the videos or the photos that you have inserted. Fine. So this is the delete option. Then what else comes in the picture? Okay, what more can I teach you on this? Okay, this was about delete option. The red line is important. How to insert more of the videos in the content. How to insert the videos in between the videos. For example, this is a video here. This is one entire video here. Now you want to insert something in between this video. What you do is you just go to the split option and split this. Okay, this is splitted. This is splitted. One video is split into 2 videos. Now we want to insert something in between these 2 videos. What you do? You have to keep this timeline correctly in between these 2 videos, and then go to the media option, and then insert whatever you want. Fine. This is how you insert in between the videos. One video, next this will play, then this will play. Fine. And this way, if you want to insert something in between, something at the end, and this way you have to do it is everything is decided by this red line. Fine. By moving your finger through the red line. That's all. Fine. Single finger you can use and just move it across. Fine. Hope you all are getting this. Okay. Alhamdulillah. So the next thing what we were studying in the previous classes was advanced settings, right? How was the advanced setting working out? Is it going easy for you all? It's nothing but replace option, the trim and split option, the slip option. You have studied replace option, the trim and split option, and the slip option is done. The mixer is also done. In the mixer, what did we all see? It is nothing but increasing the audio or video sound, increasing the video sound. Okay, someone asked me yesterday how to mute the video. This is nothing but you're going to mute this. That's it. You're going to toggle this to the 0%. and this voice is muted and the video sound is gone. That's all. Now, for example, if you want this recitation in this video, the Quran recitation in this video to go away and you want to put some other Quran recitation, what you have to do is you just have to press on this video, click on this video, go to the mixer option and just disable this, mute this here. Where is the mute option? This is a mute option. Just go and press to the mute option and this sound of the video will be muted. Fine. And then you have so many options here, auto volume and all. Auto volume is not required. The volume is decided based on the pitch in the sound, so auto volume do not enable it. And then the left and right, it is nothing but the left 99, it is plus 99 or 100 volume to the left speaker, 100 volume to the right speaker. And this pitch is nothing but it changes the voice. Okay, it makes the voice more rough and more gentle here. Okay, if you do it in a plus direction, then it will be a manly, more manly voice, and if it is a more pitch, it will be like a baby voice if you pitch it slowly towards the minus end. So this is everything is based on the mixer. This is everything about the volume. Fine. Volume, this mixer is based on the volume of the video. Fine. The audio options of the video. Fine. The next thing that you have, dear sisters and brothers, here is the speed option. I said the speed option is very essential for the video editors, for the professional video editors. The speed option is very essential. How do you do it? Actually, if you have 3 to 4 hour content, 3 to 4 hour videos given to edit and send it as some recitation, and by adding the background voices or something like that, background videos and more, what you have to do is what you can just speeden up the video, speeden up the audio, and then you can listen to the entire video. See how to speed this up, how to speed this up. I'll just tell you how to speed this up. You are just going to the plus one, okay? The one that is here, this is nothing but the normal sound that is available in the video, okay? This is a normal sound that the video has already. Fine. If you move this towards the right, okay, if you move this towards the right, okay, if you move it towards the right, what you will get 1.5. This 1.5, this 2 is actually the fastening of the sound. Okay, it will make the speed increase. Okay, that will actually increase the speed of the sound in the video, or the video itself will be fast, will play fast. Okay, it will play fast. Actually, the video will play in the faster pace. Okay, the video will play in the faster pace if you move towards the 1.5 to 2.5 and more. Based on your devices, it won't move towards the 2 and more, because 2 and more won't be supported by most of the devices. For example, if I move till 2, see here, it will be like you're almost you cannot hear the voice inside that video. So 1 to 1.5, 1.8 is fine. Okay, because till 1.8 you will hear the voice in okay way. If you move more than 2.5 hours as such, then the video voice won't be clear. It won't be clear. Okay, and one more thing, you have to keep the pitch same. Okay, if you change the pitch, if you do not keep the pitch on, the audio will be changed. The audio option, the audio that is here, the voice of the person will be changed to some other person. You will find that the person is something different. So what you have to do is you have to keep the pitch on, and you are not going to mute the audio. You're just going to enable the audio, unmute the audio here, keep the pitch as it is, and then move. You please try it and see in your KineMaster, please, everyone. You can add this video up. Please add this video, the video that I sent in yesterday's class for the homework. Add this video. Change the speed till 1.5. Are you all doing along with me? Change the speed to 1.5. See how the speed has appeared. Play it up. Play it up. How to play? Just press black and click on the play button. The voice has changed. Fine. The voice has changed. So to enable the voice, keep the pitch as same. Keep the pitch on. Fine. Keep the pitch on. Do not mute the audio. Fine. Do not mute the audio. Keep the pitch on. And you can just see how the speed is. How the speed is now. Keep the pitch on. The reciter will be same, but the speed will be increased, and the video speed will also be increased. Correct? This is how you increase the speed of the video. Fine. You can also go in the slow motion by just going to the left of the video, left of the one. So if you go to the 1.5, this video speed will be decreased. It will be slowly going in the rhythms. Can you just see? I hope you all are trying it with me. please try it with me. If you go to the towards left, it will be slowing of the audio, as well as the video. Both the video and the audio will be slowed down. Fine. So this is the speed, decreasing speed. Then we have the next option as a reverse option. What is the reverse option, dear sisters and brothers here? Reverse is nothing but the video will be reversed. The end of the video will be coming at the first, and first will be going at the end. If you press on this reverse option, KineMaster will take some time, just to 4 to 5 minutes. It will take, okay, within 2 minutes it will change, it will reverse the audio. What it does is it will get the end of the video to the first and the first of the video to the end, and it will play it in the opposite directions. Fine. So this is actually the reversing of the video. If you have something like that, some audios like that where you want to reverse the content, what you have to do is just click on the reverse video. It is available here. Fine. You do not have to look for the another app to reverse the videos. You should not, you do not have to go for Play Store and search for any other app, like where is another app that reverses my video. No, you have it here in the KineMaster. Fine. Almost all the tools of audio editing, all the tools of video editing are available in the KineMaster. It will be very beneficial if you're going to the professional way for the video editing. Okay, these tools in the KineMaster are very helpful. Fine. So this is what is the reverse option. The next option that you have is pan and zoom. Okay, now we will tell you where you will use this pan and zoom option. See here where you'll use pan and zoom option. So now you have inserted a video, and this video is so small. Can you not see this though? There's something, this video is not fitting into the screen. There's no, the video is just, it is not filling into the screen. To fill this photo or this something into the video, what you have to do is you click on this. Fine. Now this is a photo. Okay, fine. For example, this photo is just the photo, right? You cannot, it is not going, there is no effects here. There's nothing here. You can make this as a video. You know how to make this photo as a video? What you do is you just click on this photo. Let me see where is the pan and zoom. It is for the photo. There are some different options. Fine. There is a pan and zoom for this photo here. Okay. We can also pan and zoom for video. I'll show it later. I'll show you how this pan and zoom works for a photo now. Fine. See here. If you click on the pan and zoom option, fine. You click. You can try it with the video also. First, let me try it with the photo, and then I'll show you with the video. Okay. Now this is a photo here. We'll just pan and zoom. Fine. The first starting position. Let me just click on the start position here. Okay, click on the start position here, and then you have to pinch on the screen. Fine, you all have to pinch on the screen and select the starting position. From in the starting position, the starting of this timeline, how should this video appear, and in the ending of the timeline, how should this photo appear. End position also you can decide. First, let's decide the starting position. First, click on the start position and pinch on the screen, video screen. So I'll show you how you're doing this. Click on the start position, and now you're going to pinch on the screen. Let it start with this one. See, pinch and zoom, pinch and zoom. Let this photo start with this. Fine. This is the starting position. Then now click on the end position. Go to the end position. Click somewhere. Let the end position be like this. Okay. I've maximized this to the most. Let the end position be like this. Now, if you play this video entirely, see how it appears. See how it appears. Pan and zoom. You can also do it in different way. This was just a photo. It was nothing. There was no video there. There was nothing there. How did we convert this photo into video? We just did pan and zoom. We can also do it in opposite manner. How we can do it in opposite manner? For the start position, we can just write it as, we can do it as this much big image. And for the end position, we can just zoom in and keep. Okay. And then when you play this video, press on back, click on back. And then if you play this video from the start, see how it appears. See, just with one photo, you have converted into a video. Is it not interesting? Yes, you can add so many effects to this video and just make single photo into a video that is such an eye-catching content. How you can make is you can just add clip graphics, you can add backgrounds to it, you can add vignette to it. I'll show you each and every tools and effects in the upcoming classes, inshallah. So this was about pan and zoom for the photo. How will you pan and zoom for a video? For example, there is this is a video that we have. Fine, this is a video that we have. Okay, there's a video here. Fine. For this video, if you want to pan and zoom, we were discussing about pan and zoom for video, right? There is a fourth option. The reverse option is done, speed option is done, mixer option is done. The pan and zoom option we are discussing for the video. Okay, we'll just click on pan and zoom. How this works is we will click on the start position. For example, if I don't want to see this ayah in the video and we just want the video here, let me just zoom it here to the start position. For the end position, let me just zoom it here. Okay, zoom it here, or we can just do like this. Okay, let me just do it in this way. I'll show you how this video works. See how interesting it gets. See here, when you play this video, it will be like this. See how is it playing? You have zoomed into something, and then you have got the lower part of the bottom of the image video, right? So in this way you can play. You have so many options to do in the pan and zoom. We will be teaching more of the options, how you can edit the video so beautifully with the pan and zoom option. For now, just learn that pan and zoom is nothing but starting and ending position of a video or the photo is decided, and that is zoomed in and zoomed out. See here, zoomed in or zoomed out. This photo is actually converted into video. For example, I just added a simple photo here, the photo of the moon. This is just the photo of the moon. So if I go to the pan and zoom option, you can make this photo into video. Isn't it interesting? This is a photo here. For example, this is a photo of the moon that I have inserted. Okay. If you want to edit something, you are going to write some titles and all. Now you want to make this moon as a video, playing video. How to make this moon as a video? We just have a photo here. How to make it as a video? Go to the pan and zoom. Okay, just start with the starting position. Let's keep this at the center. Then go to the ending position and just make it a zoom like this or something like that. See how beautiful a video it becomes now. Okay, with the pan and zoom, just with the pan and zoom option. Okay, now just see how the video has become. Okay, you can just add the backgrounds to it, and this is a video with you now, right? It's such a beautiful video that you have got. Just a photo from just a photo, you're going to make a video with the pan and zoom option. There are more options now. We will be discussing more such options, inshallah, in the future classes. So, okay, so this was a pan and zoom option. Then next option that we're going to see is the rotate or mirroring. Okay, for example, this is a video that you have. Let me just pan and zoom. Let me just correct this. To correct this, you just have to go to the pan and zoom again and just click on the start position and just click on double click twice on the video so that uh, it will get back to the same position that it was in. Okay, after the pan and zoom, we have rotate or mirroring options. Rotate option is nothing but this video will be rotated. Okay, how to rotate this video? Just by there is something called, there is something here. See here, this is a rotate options. Rotate right, rotate left. This is rotate right, and this is rotate left. And what about mirroring? Mirroring is nothing but it will be converted to the it will be just horizontally flipped and vertically flipped. Okay, flip. Mirroring is nothing but flipping. Rotating is nothing but just totally rotated. So let me see. Let just see this options how it works. Okay, for this video, if you have mirroring, see here how it is mirrored up. Okay, if you see this in the mirror, then how it appears, it is shown in that way. Then mirroring this video, see here how it is mirrored up. Fine. Then if you want, if you want to cancel it, press it again. Then again, how to rotate this video? Rotate left, rotate right. This is how you do it. Okay, rotate right, rotate left. Click on each and see each of the options. All of these options, all of the tools are very helpful for you in the future. Okay, I want you all to go through each and every option of this. Next, we have the filters. This is very interesting option of the videos and photo editing. The filter option. See how you can change the video background. See how you can add up how you can just enhance this video. See, you're enhancing the video. You can just enhance the video in this way. You can just add the vivid, you can add the mono, you can add the low saturation, you can add the cold effect, you can add the basic effects, you can add the effects to the video. See how this is appearing. You can even make this a video in this way. See how nicely the video looks. So these are the effects that you can give to any of the videos. I want you all to apply all of these effects, and today's homework will be based on these effects. Fine, I want you to all follow me up in the class. I want you all to practice along with me. Fine. Okay, this was the filter effects or the filter that we had seen. It has different effects that are given to the videos. See how beautifully this video looks like, right? So the next thing, after the filter, there is an adjustment. Adjustment is very essential. This is used for brightening of the content, brightening of the video, or you can just darken the video. You can change the contrast of the video. You can make it more what we say, more vibrant, or more, you can just make it more vibrant. There's a saturation. You are going to add up the colors to this video. There should be some vibrance. There is a noise to the video. If you enable this vibrance, the temperature, you can just change the colors to this video, add the colors up to the videos. You can do any options, and you can just make this video beautiful. Fine, any videos can be enhanced by using this editing tools. And then, so for example, even for this one also you have the adjustments. Fine, for the photos also, see that you can increase the brightness, you can just contrast, See here, the contrast can be increased, the saturation can be increased. Such just a photo can be converted in such a beautiful video, right? The temperature can be increased. If it say change the temperature, the colors will also change. Fine. All of these, just please try it out and see how this works. Fine. And then the next option that we have is filters is done, adjustments is done, the clip graphics. Okay, why is clip graphics used? For example, you have a video, okay, and you want to add something to it, something like the breaking news, this is a breaking news or something like that. What you do is you go to the clip graphics and see such things. For example, just see here, this is already available things that are uh, in the KineMaster. For example, if I add this one, I've asked to show to this video, how this video will appear, I'll just show you after playing it. Okay, you just add it. Okay, yeah, get it here, see this, there's something extra content added to it, right? See here, extra content added to it. Fine. Now there's something called, just see here, our video is of size 50 seconds. Fine. From there only till here it has appeared, right? The clip graphics has appeared till 7 seconds only. So to improve it, so to improvise it, to make it appear for the entire video, what you have to do is you have to move this, right? You have to move this towards the end of the video. Fine. So it will appear till the end of this video. See how it will appear, it is appearing towards the end of the video. Fine. Is it not looking good? Yes, this is actually increasing the enhancement of the video. For example, for the actual video, I'll add it and show. What you have to do, you have to go to the clip graphics and you're going to add up any of this. You can just add camera focus also. See how it will change the video. It will change the video into something called a DSLR video or something in that way. Or you just can change the clip graphics and you can add it to the social likes. For the social media, it might appear like some social media content. See. You can also add it as event promo video. You can just make it as event promo video. See how it is making it into the promotional video. Okay, these are the even the already available things that are available on the KineMaster, the clip graphics. Okay, in this the clip graphics, there is something called breaking news and more. Okay, that is actually used while if you have some YouTube channel for the for showing the news, the headline news. See how it appears. News. You just can enter the text here on the right. If you have some channel for the news, you just can use this content and just you can write the title headlines here. Okay, the the back video will be same, but this news thing that will be added at the front of the page. Fine. This is quite interesting thing. While if you have the channel, some YouTube channel for making news or some breaking news or something like that, you can use this clip graphics. Fine. Most of the channels I've seen on the YouTube, there's some channel, namely I just forgot the name, it is using everything from this page, from this clip graphics. Okay, it has almost 50 to 66,000 subscribers. It is using all the clip graphics from the KineMaster. So they are editing from the KineMaster itself. So remember this, the clip graphics are essential and these are very useful while you're editing the videos. Okay. So if you add this, for example, just see news brief. See how it is adding up news brief. You just have to change the titles here. Where are the titles? Enter the titles. Okay, for example, ABC happened. Something called ABC happened. ABCD. Okay, it just appears here. Enter the text here. You just have to enter the text here. It will be placed inside instead of that. See how it is being placed on the video. This happened. This happened. This happened. Like this, you can do it, right? Isn't it interesting? Yes, this everything is interesting. You can just make a video into a video into such a beautiful video by editing it, right? So headlines global, you can just press headlines global. See how it is appearing. Can you not see this? This is like a news channel that you see on the news broadcasting on the that you see on the television, right? All of these aspects are used. This is such a sophisticated application that you find so many features in such a small app. Okay. Yes, these are the lower heads that they are using. You do not have to download the extra lower heads and use it. These are the lower heads that they are giving you already. You just can type it here, type something here, and that will appear here. Fine. So these are very useful when you are going to use a news channel. If news titles are useful from the clip graphics, or also any other things, program headlines here. How headlines will appear in this way. You can give in this way. See how it is appearing. All of these, the business promotional videos, all of such, the logos are added here and business promotional videos are made. all the videos that add videos that you're finding on the Instagram or the Facebook page, most of them are created by this application. Fine. So this application is very, very interesting. If you go into the depth, you can be such a professional editor through this application only. You do not have to go for the PC to select for the application. You do not have to go for the Adobe Premiere Pro or something like that. Even you do not have to go to the Photoshop to edit the photos. You can edit everything in this video editor. Okay, this is such a sophisticated video editor that you can use, inshallah. So this is how we are going to do it. Okay, this was nothing but about the clip graphics. Okay, this was the clip graphics. This is done. Then we have AI styling, the magic remover. The AI styling is a new feature that is added to the KineMaster currently. If you want to know what is AI styling, what is AI, dear sisters and brothers here? AI is nothing but artificial intelligence, right? Yes, it is artificial intelligence. Now, currently, how they are giving the AI styling is, for a video, if you have this, for example, I'll give you one photo or something like that. Let me just insert a photo of some person or something like that. Okay, AI styling, how it works is it gives you enhances the image. Let's just click on the AI style. What it does is, it, for example, if you click on the cartoon, it will make this photo into a cartoon, generating the AI style. It will generate within a second and it will make it as a cartoon instead of a, see here, how beautifully it made this person into a cartoon character. Is it not interesting? You, for the entire video, it will change the person into cartoons. For example, there are peoples in the video. If you just press on the AI styling and make it a cartoon, oh, for the whole video that is available with you. For example, you are conversing with someone and you have a video like that. Okay. For example, you have a wedding video. Okay. If you put it here and just click AI cartoon, AI styling into cartoon, it will make all of the peoples into cartoons. Fine. So this is how interesting this application is. Fine. So then you can make it artistic. You can just make it like a drawing. Okay. With the AI tool, you just can click on the artistic and just make this person into a artistic design. For example, it will create it like someone is designed in that way. Someone has painted him like that. Okay. You just press on the cartoon, it will make it as a cartoon. If you press on the what was it, artistic, it will make it something like an artistic character. You can also make a comic character out of it. So all of these tools that are interesting that are available on the KineMaster. So these are AI styles that are available. You can also make a comic character. For example, just click on the comic and click on the hi. So all of these tools are available on KineMaster. Hope you all are getting these points, right? Okay, alhamdulillah. So, okay, this is how the comic character looks like. See here. See, it has just converted using the artificial intelligence. Fine. Then what more, your sisters? Let me just show you some other things. Okay, we had seen about AI styling. This is done. Now we will see the one more thing, that is magic remover. Okay, this is not 100% accurate in the KineMaster. This is the only thing that is not 100% accurate. If it just magic remover is nothing but it will remove the backgrounds. Okay, it is used to remove the backgrounds. For example, okay, I'll just show you. For example, if there is a video here and I'm going to insert, there was a video here. Okay, this is a video. Fine. Upon this, I'm going to insert something. If I want to insert something upon a video, what I have to do, dear sisters? Should I not go to the layers? Yes, I'm going to visit the layers. I'm going to visit the layers and just add media upon that layer, right? Yes. For example, upon this, I'm going to add a photo of the person. Okay, this is a photo of the person that I'm going to add. Then if I press on the magic remover, fine. If I press on the, let me just enable this. If I press on the magic remover, then what it has to do is, it has to remove the background. Okay, but the KineMaster, the magic remover tool is not that accurate. Fine, it is not that accurate. Let me just try it and show you whether it will do it this time or not. Let's see whether it will do. If you click on the magic remover, it has to remove the background and it has to show the person only. Yes, it has. It has not got such an accuracy, but fine, it is fine now, right? But it's not accurate. It's not 100% accurate. It's just remove the background. Along with that, it has removed its heights also. So to instead of magic remover, we also have some different tools. I'll show it in the future. Fine. There's a tool called chroma key that will remove the background and just make the person, show the person. Fine. This was the person that we had. The previous thing, I'll just show you what was the actual person it was. It was in this way, right? By the magic remover, it removed the background. This tool is not that accurate, okay? It might be accurate in some cases, but here it is not accurate, fine? The next thing is super resolution. What is super resolution available? I'll just let this up, okay? Let me just select the next effect. What is the next effect available? Dear sisters, please type. It's nothing but the super resolution. Super resolution is nothing but you're going to improve the resolution of this video. If this is a video with you, if you want to make it a more clear video, you just click on the super resolution. Or for example, there is a photo here. If you want to increase the resolution of this, click on the super resolution, apply the resolution, see how beautifully it will become. The media enhancement will be increased. This is how beautiful this looks. The previous one, just look at the previous one, see how the previous one was. The previous one was like this. Then after applying the super resolution, see how it became. Is it not interesting? It just made it increased the resolution of the video and cleared the eyes. Just see the eyes of this fox, the polar fox that we have. It has increased the resolution. See here, it has increased the resolution and gave you the perfect image with the artificial intelligence technology. Fine. So this is what about the super resolution, how it works. Okay, the last two options that we are going to discuss now is the background as well as vignette. Background, let me just see what is the background. If we want to apply the background, this is nothing but for example, if you're just panning and zooming this, for example, okay, I'll just show you. If you're just decreasing the video size, the behind background, the background at the back, for example, is chota karti. Let's make it small. Okay, the background that is behind, what is it? Is it not black? Yes, it is black, right? The background that is behind this video is black. To change this black background, what we do is we go to the background and we can just change that background as white background. That's all. This is how it works. Fine. This is how it works. This is how the pan and zoom also works, right? The background is nothing but that. And then what about vignette? This option is quite interesting. You can apply it to most of the videos. How it does it? It just makes the background to the to be something grayish, okay, something blackish, okay. So the round of this video, it will be darkened. Fine, it won't be that dark, but it will be lightly darkened so that the center one will be highlighted. Okay, when you click on the vignette, try the vignette and see. Click on the vignette, right? See the entire video, or the photo, or the background of it, will be a bit lowered in the darkened, right? Some dark options are applied to the in the round fashion, in the round manner. For that, so that was the vignette option. Then we have volume envelope, equalizer, reverb, voice changer, extract audio. Okay, this extract audio option is very essential. So this we'll be discussing in tomorrow's class. Fine, this is so interesting. Okay, so from the extract option, how we can do is, if you have this video and you want just the voice of this video, voice of this reciter, you can put the video here, extract the audio of this reciter, and you can delete this video and make your own video from the audio, from that audio. Okay, this is how you do it. Okay, inshallah, I will discuss in tomorrow's class. So we're almost time for the class. I want you all to put your doubts now into the comment box, chat box, inshallah. So I'll just stop screen sharing, inshallah. So please be ready with your doubts, questions, and let's recap whatever we had studied in the class, inshallah. So alhamdulillah, this was a class for today. I want you all to recap and put your doubts forth in the chat box. Bismillah. Just a moment. Yes, please. Any doubts? And whatever we have studied in today's class, please type in the chat box, so that let's keep it an interactive session, so that each and everyone can learn from your doubts as well as the questions. Come on. Please type in the chat box what we have studied. Pan and zoom. Excellent. This was the option that was studied today. That is an interesting option, right? And what more? You can just check your KineMaster and tell me what more you have studied. The clip graphics we have studied. Excellent. What more? Yes, I want you all to type, dear sisters. The background option we have studied. Excellent. The AI styling we have studied. Excellent. And what more? Yes, Alhamdulillah. These were the options that we have studied. We will also study about the extract option or extract video option in tomorrow's class. Yes, we have studied the filter option. Barakallahu fiki. And what more? Yes, what more? Yes, we have learned about speed option. Speed option is mandatory. This option is very essential for the professional video editors. We have studied about WinJet option. WinJet, why is it essential to darken the background of the video? Yes, we have studied about the reverse option. Yes, we are just reversing up the video. All of these tools are very essential, very essential. Inshallah, this all of this will be helpful for you if you're going to into the professional video editing. Okay, what more? Rotating and mirroring we have studied. Yes, the pan and zoom option is mandatory. This will be given for homework for tomorrow's class. Okay, the homework, the attendance, the class attendance, and your final test are very important for you to get the certificate. Fine. All of this will decide whether you'll get the certificate or not. So you have to be punctual with your homework. I have to have all of the homeworks you have to submit to me, and you have to be present for all of the classes, inshallah. You have to give the attendance in the groups, inshallah. So this was a class for today. Any doubts you can just put forth, and you can just ping me. I'll answer all of your doubts. Jazakumullahu khairan. Take care of yourself, my dear brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum.